Today I'm going to be talking about hinting. My mother has a really difficult time asking directly for what she wants. And on a Monday morning, many years ago, I had just dropped my daughter off at school. And it was 7:30 in the morning on Monday morning, rainy. Get a phone call on my cell phone, I answer the phone. It was Mother. Roger, where are you? I said, Mama just dropped Margaret Ann off. What's up? Oh, nothing. Are you really busy this morning? I said, yeah, I got a lot to do. Well, I said, Mother, is there something you need to ask me? And she got really angry. She went into this anger mode. Well, nobody ever takes care of me. Nobody ever does this. And I said, well, Mother, I just got up. I don't know. What is it that you need? What is it that you need to ask me? And she literally couldn't ask. Here's what she needed. She needed someone to go to the drugstore for her because it was raining. She didn't want to have to get out in the rain. She's elderly, slippery roads, cold, and she just really simply wanted to ask the question, would you go to the drugstore for me so I don't have to go? I'm out of my medicine. But she couldn't ask. And here's why she couldn't ask. It's too risky. It's a risky thing for her to hear no because of the relationship she had with her father. And when she hears the word no, it just blows up her world. So she can't ask directly, and it's a strategy that she uses to get around feeling something that might be painful. Technicians do the same thing. I've heard technicians need to ask a customer a question, particularly about, replacing a system, and they never ask. They just keep giving these statements. Hey, your system's really old. It's got a bad capacitor. It's really old. It's 15 years old. We could give you an estimate on a new one. We could do this. We could do that. Just going on and on and on. And really what we need to do is we need to be courageous, be vulnerable, ask a very direct question. Just say, Mrs. Jones, your air conditioning system's pretty old. It's got a bad capacitor. I can fix it. But let me ask you a question. Do you want to fix this old air conditioner, or would you like to look at options to replace? Tell me what to do. You're the boss. So what we have to do to be courageous and vulnerable is let go of our need to hear yes, let go of our need for the other person to grant our request, but asking directly for what you want is very healthy, but it does take courage, and it takes a person who's willing to be vulnerable. Hey, I hope this helped you, and God bless.